If you're unfamiliar with how to bead loom, I suggest going on to another YouTube tutorial before starting this bracelet, because it takes the basic bead looming step a step further and it's kind of hard. Set up your bead loom with 10 warp threads. String across the first 5, then skip and leave space for the center bead. I skipped 3. Then string across 5 more. You should have 10 warp threads altogether. When you're done with that, tie on your string to the warp thread on the left and add on your needle. 4 delicas, the center bead, and 4 delicas. You are basically going to do the 2 steps over and over again. The first step is the basic way to bead loom beads. So first do what you normally do to loom the beads by taking them on your needle and arranging them under the warp threads. Push them up with your fingers so that each bead goes through its hole between the warp threads. Then keep your finger there holding the beads and pull your needle through so that you can take the needle and put it through the beads. Make sure you are putting the needle back through the beads above the warp threads. That's step 1. Now just pull your string through and get ready for step 2. So here's the hard part. Put the first 4 delicate beads on the needle only. Set it up under the warp threads, reaching for the center bead. Put the needle through the center bead, which is hard. Then add the next 4 beads on the needle and set it up under the warp threads. Once you're done setting up that part under the warp threads with the beads, pull the needle through the beads above the warp threads, through the center bead, and through the next 4 Delica beads. It's impossible to get the needle through the first 4 Delica beads, back through the center bead, and through the last 4 Delica beads, so you'll have to pull the needle through 3 times and do it separately. That is what makes this step so much harder than step 1. Then just pull your string through and start with step 1 again.